Hello, good morning guys. This is Marl, and for today's video guys, this is our Part 3 for SSW question and answer. So, pasensya guys na late po yung Part 3 po natin, but we will be talking about visa processing payment sa immigration. So, I will be talking about this one guys kasi may nag-message po sa akin yesterday na I will be sharing a picture guys. So, kayo na muna mag-stop ng video na to guys para ma-read nyo po. So, he was asking about kung siya ba yung magbabayad ng visa processing for immigration. So, to be clear guys, first thing is, when we apply sa immigration po, wala po tayong babayaran. No payment for immigration visa processing. Ang magiging payment po is yung gumawa ng mga documents to be submitted sa immigration. Ngayon, you have to be careful guys kasi guys, madaming ways or paraan po kung paano po kayo ma-showcase sa isang company. For example, sa akin po, RSO po ako. So, lahat po ng payments is hindi po manggagaling sa worker. Lahat po ng payments is from the employer. So, that's how our company works. So, wala pong babayaran yung magiging worker for visa processing. Ngayon, may babayaran sila po, yun yung pag lumabas na yung visa, yung bagong residence card, yung 4,000 po, basically, ang magbabayad nyon is yung worker. So, kung binabayaran po kayo ng 4,000 sa employer po ninyo, then you are lucky. But, basically, that is part of your revenue tax. So, kayo po yung magbabayad niya. So, sabi ko po kanina, you have to be careful. So, before po kayo pumasok sa isang company, lalo na kung walang Filipino or walang Pinay na nag-a-assist po sa inyo, you have to be clear na i-ask sa kanila kung may babayaran ka ba o wala. So, for the visa processing, you really have to clarify that one kasi katulad nung kausap ko, walang sinabi about sa visa processing pat hiningan po siya ng bayad ngayon. So, may mga showkay guys siya po kasi may license po para dyan. So, may mga showkay guys siya talaga guys na naghihingi ng payment from the to applicants po nila. Hindi lang po yan sa mga guy kukujin pati sa mga Nihonjin, may company po ng pag-showkay ng mga trabaho na magbabayad yung mga workers para ma-showcase sila sa isang company. Again po, that's another license dito sa Japan. So kung meron po sila, so they are allowed to get payments from the worker. From any documentations or processing po na ginawa nila. Wala pong libreng service sa company na katulad nun. So that's it. So again, summarize ko lang, you have to clarify kung may papayaran ka ba or wala, lalo na pag dito ka sa Japan na hire. Dapat talaga i-clarify nyo po yung payments po ninyo. That's Japan side sa visa processing. Okay, that's it guys. And again po, before I end this video, I want to be clarified. So this is general rule. So this is not only for Filipinos, so lahat po ng nationalities. So nakafocus po tayo sa rules dito po sa Japan. Okay guys, have a great Sunday and please don't forget to share to your friends guys na interested dito sa Japan or gusto malaman yung mga informations about SSW, and please like guys and follow. Bye bye, Sen.